Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures Review. I'm going to go over what happened since last night all the way through afternoon of September 3rd, Wednesday around 1 p.m. So going back to last night, we had reached the high. We had reached this resistance zone Tuesday afternoon around 4. And then from there, we sold. What we did is the classic sideways consolidation. We flagged sideways. When you do this, you're looking for a dip in recovery because if there's no clear lows, then that's all you can work with. If there is a clear low, ideally you'd love to see a failed breakdown of that, but that depends on how close and how far those lows are. So anyways, after 4 o'clock, we reached the high of the day, exact to the tick, and we sold down sideways. This is the first major level that came up below. We sold right through it, didn't really do much there, and then we continued to sideways sell. Around 11:30, we tagged this major level and provided a bounce, but that was about it. If we had reclaimed this level above and held, then potentially that could have been a nice little dip in recovery, dip to a level, recover the one above, and that would have worked out, but we didn't get that. However, we got a dip in recovery classic setup around 145. We dipped below this major level. We tagged the minor level below for confluence, and then we went right back up, reclaiming that major level as well as a minor level above it. This happened pretty fast, probably. Ideally, though, you want to see where the green line is. That's exactly where you're looking to go long. And that worked out great level to level. We went right up 6 points, and then we sold back down, offered a second entry here at the 3 o'clock, 3:15 London Open. And then from there, we back tested this level again one more time from where we sold. And then we came back up to the resistance, hit that multiple times all morning before selling from there around 7:30, 7:45 when I was looking for my first setup of the day. From that level, clear resistance now, we sold down and we did another dip in recovery where we tagged this minor level. We actually sold through it a little bit, pushed back above, and then we got back above the major level around 9:30 open. I did not take this, but this was definitely a possible trade where you take a dip in recovery of the major level to 2 levels up almost. Awesome setup there. Then we rejected at that resistance, the clear resistance right now, the reclaim level that will take us up further upside. And we sold down from there all the way straight through to this minor level, which we then reclaimed the level above. At this point, we have a clear low from the Wednesday overnight low around 45.17. Therefore, if we can reclaim that as well as a major level here above, that would be a great long. Lo and behold, that's exactly what happened. We sold down, tagged this level exact, came back up, closed at this major level. We did push through, come back down. So if you went long right away, you would have gotten 2 levels right there. If you missed it, you waited for the 15 minutes to really make sure. Then afterwards, that worked out almost 4 levels up, 1, 2, 3, 4, even though the first one's really minor. So more like 3 levels up, 1, 2, 3. We continue to be resisting this area. We sold down again. Now we've lost the low of the day. So we're looking for a failed breakdown. A couple ways you can play this. Because of the multiple lows in this area, I would not be satisfied until we probably cleared this trigger again. So that is for me now the failed breakdown trigger of the afternoon, assuming we stay in this area. Here I just put that in so I know. Now I have an alert that will go off anytime. Below this now, as we sell a little bit more, we're looking at failed breakdowns potentially of either of these lows, if not both. If we can only get down this low and not below this, then I want to see this major level recover. Although it is almost 6 points above, I do think it'll be important to cover that low. Although we do have another low right above as well. So it's a very dicey situation. Ideally, you're looking for both of these lows to clear and set up a failed breakdown this afternoon. That is the best bet. If we can't, right above right now, we have a failed breakdown possibility right here. And because of the multiple lows, you might be a little bit safer waiting for this level to reclaim. So again, going over the setups, the failed breakdown of the cluster of lows right here with the setup of taking up the long at the green line. We are selling directly into this level, so maybe a dip in recovery, tag this, recover this level could be possible. And then below that, you have the failed breakdowns here. Let's go to a higher time frame and see if there's anything else that is worthwhile. You have some lows down here. Otherwise, a direct level long dip in recovery could be something set up for down there. So that's what we're looking at. We're still within this bull flag that I've been monitoring for Dow Jones futures. Be back with more soon. Great setups today.